Hello dear students, welcome to Concept class. This is the last video of our Python programming series for the students of class 9th and 10th of ICSE and CBSE board. I hope all the videos of this channel were very much useful for your board examination preparation. In this video, we will discuss about the another package, that is the Matplotlib, which is used for visualizing the data. Now the data that is being generated is easily understand if we visualize it through the graphs. So this package is useful for visualizing it. Now we'll see how to use them. Let's see. For using Matplot, we need to import it first. Import Matplotlib dot pyplot and its short name say PLT. For using the matplot, we need to give the coordinates name. So x is equal to, we will take it list, x is equal to list of some integers, say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, say 12, 14, and last let it be 15. And y is equal to, for x and y coordinates we need two different list. Say for 2 it is 6, for 4 it is be 4, then 7, then 9, then 15, then 2, then how many it is become? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and let it be 8. So this is the two list. Now we need to draw the line graph. For drawing the line graph, we have the function plt dot plot, and there we need to give the coordinates of the x and y, and to display it, plot dot show. Now it will execute. So this is the graph that we have got it. Now here we haven't given any name for the x-axis, this name for the y-axis, and for what the graph has been prepared. Now let us suppose that we have prepared the graph for the class and number of students. Suppose these are the classes. X is having the class and y showing the number of students. So plt dot x level class. So x axis will be labeled with the class plt dot, similarly for the y level say number of students, and let the level name of the graph plt dot title say name anything, say school. Say this is the name that we have given it for the title. Now let me run it. So this is the school name of the class and this is the y axis it has been given. So in this way we can draw there are some other graphs also. They are the bar graphs. So for bar graphs also, in place of this plot, if we change it to the bar, then we'll get the bar graph. Now let's execute it. Yes, in class 2, 6 students, 4 students, like this we are getting the bar graphs. Similarly, if we want to get the coordinate like structure, then there is another function that is called scatter. So if you just change it to scatter, then it will be, these are the points, point-wise. Okay. Now, if you want to prepare the pie chart, pi, it will be for one coordinates only. So this is pi in circular form. If you want, you can change it into the array also. In place of this x and y, in place of taking this as a list, you can change it into the array. And to have it array, we need to import NumPy. So import np NumPy. As np and np dot array, you make it array. Similarly, np dot array, now first we are doing it with a pie chart. So let's see. Now x is not a list, it is an array. So for this Matplotlib, we can use this list or array, anyone. With tuple also it works, but it is not recommended. For these, the variables that you need to use, either it will be list or an array. With tuple also it is working, but it is not recommended. So I can check with the other also plot x and y. For all the functions, array and list both works. Code is running. Let me close it. So close it. This is similarly for the bar graph also. Bar graph also. This. Similarly for the scatter also. Scatter also it will works. Now we'll use for the histogram. For histogram we need lot of data. The difference between the bar graph and the histogram, it is bar graph works on the discrete data. As you have read it in your statistics in your class 10 syllabus, it is there. There are two types of data. One is discrete data, other is continuous data. Bar graph works with the discrete data, and if you want to work with the continuous data, you'll have to use the histogram. So for using histogram, we need to use the continuous data. So here it will be, first we'll need, for continuous data, we need much more data than with only this sort of data. So we need to have np dot random dot randint, and say the number it is 20, starting from 20, and it will be say 70, and we need say 200 data. So it will produce the numbers from 20. 70 will not be included. Between 20 to 69, any number 20 and 69 will be included, and there will be 200 data. And using that, we'll draw the histogram. Say it is Z, and it will be hist. The function is hist. Now let me execute it. So these are the data. This is the histogram. So in this way, we can draw different graphs using the Matplotlib. So with this, this session for the Python programming got over. I hope it is clear to all of you.